Hi, I'm Andrew Somerton, Finance and Protection Consultant here at Audi Kitchener-Waterloo. Protecting your vehicle and maintaining its pristine aesthetics is as important to you as it is to us. Chipguard is a tough, clear barrier that acts like body armor for your paint. Unlike products that have a liquid application, Chipguard is applied as a film. It is an invisible layer that helps protect your paint against chips, scratches, and stains caused by road debris, insects, and more. The film provides a surface with impact absorption capabilities that decrease the likelihood a stone or small object will affect the harder, more rigid paint and clear coats. The top layer of a quality film is made up of elastomeric polymers that return to their natural shape after being stretched or disfigured, giving the film a self-healing property. That means the light scratches are inflicted in the film. It absorbs the damage and returns the texture and properties it had before the incident. This product can be installed to provide coverage for up to 18 inches of the hood of the vehicle where stone chips are most likely to occur. Other areas of your vehicle can also be protected by Chipguard with a custom installation. Our provider uses experienced professionals to install Chipguard on your vehicle. Their expertise combined with an ultra-precise computing cutting system ensures a great fit for your vehicle. If you have any other questions or are curious about any of our other protection products, please do not hesitate to contact us at audikw.com or here at the dealership.